Building a landscape wall in a weekend. Are you ready to make over your landscape? Check out this weekend project from Allan Block. Today, we're going to turn a small overgrown hillside into a beautiful elevated garden using the Europa Collection from Allan Block. You can find installation instructions and the location of your nearest Allan Block dealer by visiting us at allanblock.com. Click on the Videos and Animations tab and then on Retaining Walls to find this weekend project. Tools you'll need will include shovels, a hand compactor, a wheelbarrow, measuring tape, a level, a dead blow hammer, a rake, a broom, safety glasses, and work gloves. Allan Block's Europa Collection has 4 basic block shapes. For this project, we'll be working with the AB Barcelona, the AB Palermo, and the AB Bordeaux blocks using a 2-course AB Light pattern. The first step is to make a simple plan. Draw out the layout of the wall and determine its dimensions. Your local Allan Block dealer will help you get the right amount of block and materials for the job. To begin, we'll clear the area of any surface vegetation and organic materials. Walls cannot be built on organic materials and they should not be used as backfill. Starting at the lowest elevation, dig a base trench that's 12 inches wide by 6 inches deep along the length of the wall. The scope of this project allows us to use less wall rock in the base and behind the wall than would be used in a standard landscape wall. Check the Landscape Walls Guide for details on the amount of wall rock you will need for your own project. If the base trench of your wall steps up a slope, see the Landscape Walls Guide for more information and instructions. Check the trench for level, making adjustments as necessary. Thoroughly compact the trench with a hand compactor. To build a quality wall, use a clean granular rock underneath the base course to create a firm foundation for your project. We call this wall rock. Once the trench is ready, fill the trench with 4 inches of rock. After the rock is in place, rake the area smooth. Wall rock is used as base material within the block cores as well as behind the blocks. It must be a compactable aggregate ranging in size from 1/4 inch to 1.5 inches in diameter. This balanced mix of sizes allows for good compaction. Compact the wall rock thoroughly with a hand compactor. Check the entire length for level. Adjust as necessary, making sure to recompact any loose material. Now it's time to install the first course of blocks, beginning at the lowest elevation. When using the AB Light pattern, you can use the AB Barcelona for the base course. Install the entire base course with the raised front lip facing up and forward on the base material near the front of the trench. Check and adjust each block from side to side and front to back for level and alignment. On this project, we're starting with a curve. To build smooth outside curves, remove one or both of the wings from the back of the blocks to tighten the radius of the curve. To obtain a clean break, hit the back of the wing with a hammer. Check the entire base course for alignment by spanning multiple blocks with a level. Fill the area in front of the blocks with soil. This will keep the blocks in place while filling and compacting. Then fill the block cores and 6 to 12 inches behind the block with wall rock up to the top of the blocks. Use the end of a shovel to consolidate the wall rock in the block cores. Then compact behind the blocks with a hand compactor. Sweep the blocks clean to prepare a smooth surface for the next course. Then check for level, adjusting as necessary. Stack the next course of blocks following the pattern you have chosen, or one on the AB Light tech sheet, so that the vertical seams are offset from the blocks below as much as possible. Fill the hollow cores and 6 inches behind the block with wall rock. Fill and compact each course in no more than 8-inch lips. Use approved on-site soils to backfill behind the wall rock. On the last course, you can fill the block cores and behind the block with on-site soils to assist with any plantings above the wall. Finishing the wall is easy. You can use AB capstones or simply pull the mulch right up to the raised front lip. And there you have it, a beautiful landscape wall in just one weekend using the AB Europa Collection. Find hundreds of additional ideas for your yard, from simple do-it-yourself weekend ideas to big projects which may require the help of a certified Allan Block contractor. You can watch videos, download free instructions, and helpful tips, all at allanblock.com.